All right, scholars, now that we've read that part, before you continue on reading the rest, we're going to take a quick look back at the packet. So there's a comprehension question, number 4 in our packet. Ivan has some opinions about humans. What are 2 of his opinions in these chapters? Do you agree or disagree with Ivan? So, what we're going to do is go back to our packet together and take a look at this. So, I'm skipping past number 3 for right now. You're going to come back to that on your own. But number 4 is that question I just went over with you. So, what are 2 of his opinions? So, one of his opinions, right, he says that humans are clever. I'm thinking back to, I think it was page 13, right? If I'm going to go back and look in the book for some evidence, right? Toward the bottom of page 13, he says, humans are clever indeed. Right? He thinks they're clever because of cotton candy and swimming pools. He doesn't know what those 2 things are, of course, because he's a gorilla. But he thinks, wow, it's clever to have these pink clouds that you can eat and flat waterfalls in your domains, right? So those are clever to him. He also says a lot of other things about humans, right? He, at one point, said he thinks... sorry, everyone. He said, right, humans talk too much, right? They speak too much. I'm looking at that on page 3. So, scholars, I want you to notice how I'm going back into my book to look for evidence of things because I'm not sure I'm going to remember all of that stuff. But humans speak too much. Right, is another opinion he has. And then, do you agree or disagree with Ivan's opinion? So do you agree humans are clever? Do you agree that humans speak too much? Right? So you could say, right, I agree with these because, or I disagree because, or something like that, right? So be sure you're answering that. And then scholars, also make sure you finish number 3 and number 5. And when you get to number 5, I want you to especially be sure that you've explained, right? Don't just write yes or no. Explain, what did we read that makes you think yes? Or what did we read that makes you think no, right? That's you looking for evidence. When you're finished, be sure that you take a photo of this page and submit them for your assignment for today. Then, scholars, I will read through it and respond to you, letting you know how you did, and I'll see you next time as we move on to the next group of pages. Thanks for joining me for the first day of the one and only Ivan.